This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Lincoln Navigator. First, let's establish the basic shape. Begin by drawing a large rectangle to represent the main body of the vehicle. Next, add 2 smaller rectangles for the wheel wells, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Finally, sketch a slightly curved horizontal line across the top to define the roofline, giving your Navigator its initial structure. Now, let's add some key features to bring your drawing to life. Carefully draw the outlines for all the windows, including the large windshield and the side windows. Next, sketch the distinctive Lincoln grille at the front, paying attention to its unique pattern and proportions. Don't forget to add the headlights and taillights, making sure they are symmetrical on both sides for a balanced look. Moving on, let's refine the wheels and body lines. Within the wheel wells, detail the wheels by adding the rims and tire treads, giving them a realistic appearance. Next, draw the prominent body lines along the sides of the Navigator, which emphasize its impressive length and robust design. Finally, add the door handles and side mirrors to complete the exterior details, making your drawing more authentic. For our final slide, let's add those finishing touches. Carefully erase any unnecessary guidelines to clean up your drawing and make it look polished. Then, apply shading to create depth and highlight the vehicle's contours, giving it a 3-dimensional feel. Remember, a great drawing deserves a fresh environment. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.